The all-new Gradall Discovery Series hydraulic excavator uses the familiar Gradall tilting telescopic boom, but with a distinctive new carrier. A Freightliner M2 medium-duty truck with a frame designed to handle the working forces of the excavator.
This is a Freightliner M2 chassis. It is a very specific Gradall spec M2. So it's got heavy-duty frame and liners end-to-end on the chassis, and it's also got heavy-duty reinforcing braces end-to-end that we've worked with Freightliner on. So the standard bracing wasn't good enough for an excavator to be mounted to the chassis. We had to sit down with them and look at exactly what forces we were going to put into the chassis so the chassis can survive. And then we lay a torque box on the frame. The goal of that torque box is to dissipate that torque rear to front so that when we transition over to the frame itself, you don't have anything abrupt happening with the chassis.
Construction Equipment recently asked professional operator instructors Sean Pointer and Chris Tomlin at the Operating Engineers Local 150 Training Center to run the new Discovery Series and offer their opinions on its performance and features.
The concept is a good idea as far as for municipalities and stuff like that. There's a lot of difference between municipalities and construction. We're on the construction side. I see where, compact and everything for municipalities, getting underneath the high lines and stuff like that, and in tight little areas and stuff where it'd be beneficial.
It's not going to be the high-end production machine of the XL series, but that's not what its intent was. Its intent was for the contractor or the municipality that's going to run it periodically and not an everyday machine. And to that end, it would be great.
Among the Discovery Series features is a new electronic remote drive system, which the operators said gives the machine good on-site mobility.
The travel feature, the remote travel, is probably the biggest thing I'm excited about. I was having a riot with it. It was good. It was good.
We asked Tomlin about the stability of the Discovery compared with that of the larger XL 4100 Series 2 Gradall that Local 150 has in its fleet.
No difference as far as stability that I could tell from this model and the XL. I mean, they move, they maneuver, they do the same thing. I'm used to, some people, if they're not used to a Gradall, they say, oh, the bouncing and stuff like that. If you're a Gradall operator, you get used to it, and between the two, there's really no difference that I see.